In this podcast, we're going to look at some free online software for creating a mind map. So the first one we're going to look at is mindmo.com. So we're just going to sign up for the educational version. And we're going to sign up for the free version. And the first thing we're going to do is just click Create New Map. So we're just going to give it a title. And then you've more options here, so you can give it a description, select which folder to save it in, and you also have the option of protecting it with a password. Just going to click OK to that. So it starts with one central topic in the middle here, which was the title that you gave to the mind map. But you can edit this if you want by just double clicking it. And then to create a subtopic, you just drag out from the main one. And then you can move this around. Create another one. You can also click on the main topic here and just click the tab button, and that gives you another subtopic. And we can just move them into place. And again, with these, same thing, you can just drag out to create a subtopic, etc. So just click tab and so on. And then you have different options here along the top for if you want to change the layout. So if we select a subtopic here, we want to change it with that style. Then you also can select what sort of theme that you want. Or you can go in and actually individually change the type of shape or the colour, etc. Now there's other options along the side here. So if you want to add a note, so say your central topic here, you could add a sort of a description, just to explain what it's about. So when someone opens up your mind map, they can click and get the notes on it here. The other thing you can do is you can hyperlink to an outside website or attach a file. You can add in images or audio and video, icons, and so on. So finally, when you have it all set up, you're going to want to share your mind map. So we're just going to click on the share button here on the right hand side. We'll just click into share settings. So at the moment it's set to a private map. So if you leave it at a private map, you'd need to enter the email addresses here to share it with people that can view it. The other option is to publish it to the web. So we're just going to change it to, instead of private, change it to be public on the web. And then you can copy this link and it copies straight to your clipboard. And then you can send that link to somebody to view it, or you can include it as a link on your website. So I'm just going to click save on that. And then finally, the other option is that you can embed it into your website. So then the embed code is copied here to your clipboard. You can paste it directly into your website. So that's the Mindmo software. The next thing we're going to look at is a few other very simple ones. One is bubble.us. So you click into that, you just click on Start Brainstorming. Okay, and again it just gives you a central topic here, so you just click into it to start typing. Then the tab, if you click on this, gives you a new separate topic, or if you click on Control Enter, it'll give you a subtopic of your main topic. Then if you hover over it, you can change the colour, you can change the size of the text, or you can connect it to another one of the topics. Okay, so it's a very simple one to use. Then when you're finished, you can export it. So you can export it as a JPEG image, PNG image, and just click export. Another very simple mind mapping software is poplet.com. This again is a very user-friendly one. It also comes in an app version. And finally, a very simple mind mapping tool is text2mindmap.com. So on this one here, you can just enter the text into the left-hand window here. So just delete the text that's here. So you can type it in, or you can actually copy and paste it from Word document. Paste it in here. And then we're just going to select our subtopics and click the tab button. So that's just going to move them in there. And then you just click on Draw Mind Map. So it creates a mind map with your subtopics, and then you can just move them around to suit. And then if you want to edit, so you want to put in a subtopic, again just click the tab button. And then just click Draw Mind Map again. So it gives you your two subtopics. And you can move it around to suit as your mind map is growing. Okay, so it's a very simple one to use. And then you can either save it, or you can click download, and you can just download a PDF or download an image of it. So there are just a few examples of some very simple mind mapping software that's available out there and all free to use. Now there is some restrictions. For example, the Mindamo software, with the free version you can only create 3 mind maps with it. But they are a good starting point, and it does give you an opportunity to try them out for free and then decide which one suits you best and for which purpose you might use them for.